the deal, guys. Back again with another video. We got Money Way. You feel me? Josh, say what up, bro.
What's your name again?
You wanna be an asshole.
Nice to meet you.
This nigga. You know the channel name, man. The real Danny boy. You know the channel name, man.
I don't know the channel name.
Hey!
This dude, man. Now we filming.
He wants to record your car. Yeah, park. Watch out, there's a cop somewhere over here. There's cops where? On M5.
You feel me? You got the GoPro set up.
Oh, really? No, it's a BMW dual clutch. It's like a manual automatic.
This the owner?
Like this?
Yeah, but it's different. It's like BMWs. I don't know. It's weird.
Alright, so
it's like
you sit up front or back?
Your girlfriend sits in the front.
No, she can sit in the back. He sits up front. He's too. I'm sorry, you're just wider.
Fuck it, yeah. Yeah.
He's wider.
Alright,
so you two sit in the back, and you.
I like that shit. Okay. I saw you laughing. Hopefully you fucking told me. That was bad, bro. Where are my car keys at? Yeah, you know, back in the video, you know, JTV subscribe. We got the Cowdy and niggas here. We got Antonio here. And come on, show Antonio here. What's your name?
Jalen.
We got Jalen over here. What's up, Jalen? How old are you?
16.
Oh, you're Aji.
We got the M4. That video coming up next.
Do you go here?
No, I go to what's it called? Powerhouse.
Oh, right there. I'm in the back to a girl. Man, yeah. We got Daniel in the passenger seat because he's a bitch. He's too fat to fit in the back of the Camaro.
Fuck you.
I mean, it's kind of true, but.
No cap.
Now look at him. He's so close to this nigga's face. Look at this. I'm in the back.
It's hot in here.
It is.
It is. Let me try to see.
So talk about the car and all the options, man.
I mean,
it's
got literally every single option that you can get from the dealership.
So it's basically a 2SS with the WinLE package.
Yes, it's got every single thing that you could ask for on a Camaro.
They got the red and black interior. Oh my God, the stitching.
Is this the first day out from storage?
Yeah, it has not been out.
Like 5-6 months.
Man,
it was loud as hell this morning.
Y'all know I'm a Chevy guy, so like this my thing.
Can't afford one though.
Not this one. No, I can't afford this.
It's okay though. I can't afford it either. We're both broke. But anyways, we're about to go on M5. About to race this Beamer maybe. I don't know. I already know his car. I already know his car is fast, so.
I'm not even gonna risk it. I don't want to get on the streets. First day out.
First day out, take really fun. But yeah, we're about to fucking.
I like the lights and the cup holders, man.
We're about to go on the freeway. Yeah. Danny wanted a collab, so this is our first collab. Make sure you go to his channel and block all of his videos from your. I'm kidding. I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
It says folding top. I was kidding. But yeah, make sure you go to his channel, check out his videos. It was like 5 videos. How many videos do you have?
No, about time this post.
About time this post. We did like.
Oh, you have 5 videos and you're famous?
From 2 months.
I'm not famous.
He is famous, actually.
Bro.
We go to car meet. Oh shit, Danny, it's Danny boy.
No, that's you. Every time you go, where's Money Way?
Money Way.
No cap.
Guess what, nigga?
Anytime I come on him.
He swear I get more views to him, bro. Oh my God.
Andrew, the camera was good. This shit gonna die.
This is a nice camera.
No, it ain't. I got 2 bars.
I mean, oh yeah. All right, since we're doing the collab, can't really see me because I'm black as shit, but I'm the reason he has this camera he's recording on, and I'm the reason it looks this good. So, thank you.
That video already posted. If y'all stayed to the end of that video, you already know.
Which no one does, but it's fine.
Okay, you know what? Fuck you.
But
black ass. My camera can't even pick you up.
All right, guys. Danny's girlfriend is
fat.
Don't even have one. I'm single. Big single.
That was rude. Don't say that.
I'm just fucking with him.
Everybody has their, fuck ups. Flaws. And my flaws is.
I just perfectly don't, preferably don't like the chubby,
I do. Fuck.
Sometimes all that flapping can make it happen, but you know.
Dumb as hell.
You look scared.
Oh, I look scared?
I'm looking through you on my phone.
Oh my God.
You scared?
No, nigga, I'm actually trying to focus, like, recording right now.
nigga put in, thank you. This nigga put in manual.
He about to go crazy.
Is he getting next to you? Oh, he's gonna walk your shit.
I'm gonna say, give me a little
Instead
pull.
of 40 roll, don't do that. I'd rather do a high roll.
Give me a little pull.
Yeah.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I'd 40 roll this nigga. Hey, don't do it on this road, because it's
No, there's too many fucking cops.
Yeah.
Oh, this the road y'all was talking about? I don't live out here, no. Whatsoever. Moneyway, how you like the Camaro experience with the back seats? As my camera just went out of focus. Focus.
How do I like the Camaro, the back seats?
Yeah.
Kind of claustrophobic back
You
there?
can't get no ass back here.
How tall are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm like 6 foot, 6'1".
And she said comfortably, how tall are you?
You can't put her on the. You can't put her on the camera. Your boyfriend. Stop.
I can't put her on the camera.
I mean, no,
I'm
you
just
can
kidding,
put her on the
fucking
camera.
Right, shut the fuck up.
I was kidding.
You said you 5'3", and you perfectly fit back there?
Yep,
Yeah, 'cause she's 5'3".
I'm comfy.
My head's fucking touching the fucking roof.
See, yeah, everyone knows that though. Okay, about Camaros, everyone knows that though. The back seats are, yeah, they're non-existent basically.
So if you get a girlfriend, fuck.
It's slow ball.
Hopefully she has a car.
No, she got a car.
Does suck.
Yeah, you suck in your car. No kidding. And then I can't do the video, sir. I don't know what to do.
Gotta edit.
We got an M4 right here. Antonio,
This will be the next video, M4 review.
maybe. You like that, Daddy?
Yes, sir, man.
I know where you live, so we can rob that again. If you like it that much. Damn, she sounds good. Rated M. Rated M, guys. We got a car meet tonight. Marshall's going to come to the car meet. Yeah.
The car meet video gonna be, I'm gonna post the car meet
If
video.
you want to
before
follow
this.
Marshall on Instagram, he's single and he's looking for a girlfriend.
She's gonna kill you.
I'm cooking her out.
Oh, shit.
I'm kidding. My Marshall's Instagram is mmiller23. You can go to the left or right. The right takes you towards
Now take me towards
Lansing,
the wall.
They got the boys
where you
audio.
get fucking Chick-fil-A. Too late now. My friends call me. What up, y'all?
The 10 speed.
We were at Lifetime and we just went on a ride in a Camaro. I'm in a Camaro right now. We're just getting a ride.
So how do you like the
Going back to my car.
visibility outside of a Camaro?
I mean, that's the one thing I really don't like about it. It's so low.
Put in Lifetime and Commerce.
So give me like 5 things you like and 5
It's
things you don't
happening.
like.
Well,
It's
of course, the speed,
I
the
know where it's
sexiness
at.
of the details and all the car, like on every speck of it, is awesome.
I'll be back there.
Everywhere I go, you get a nice little comment, you know.
Right.
Alright.
It's not the dual clutch is super easy to go in and out of.
That's what
The
she said.
speakers are super nice.
That's what she said. It's super easy to go in and out of.
Yeah, it is. Things I dislike, the windshield. And probably the only thing I don't like is just
The visibility.
visibility, yeah.
And the back seat.
And the back seat.
Fuck them
Maybe that's
passengers.
it.
Fuck you, boy.
But it's not really, I mean, it is made, I guess, for 4 people to sit in the back.
Shut
But
the fuck up.
Man, this is a
Control
dri-
this fucking seat.
it's really
This is
made
a
for 2
driver's
guys,
car.
2 girls. That's really what it's made for.
No cap, no
Yeah,
cap.
2 fucking preschoolers in the back. God.
I mean, I have 1 in the back, so
Ah!
really 1.5, but you know.
Man, I just love the red stitching.
Yeah, it's so
The
nice.
red accents, man. My favorite color red, so like this is heaven right now.
Hell yeah.
If I could be able to option one and buy it, it would be this without the convertible.
And would you have all black?
Trust me, when I put this convertible down, you're gonna love it.
Whatever you want.
What's this card?
Ooh, minivan SRT.
Talking some minivan SRT.
Shit. But yeah, guys, if you're watching this video, I don't know if Danny has clout or anything, but go to my channel.
Oh, this Camaro.
I don't know if
That's a girl too.
I don't know if Danny will put my information in the link below.
I will. Oh my God.
Oh, thanks. I appreciate it.
Stop.
Check it out, type shit. You know,
Stop.
check me out. I got good.
You feel me? We on the way to Mexico right now. About to get a
Really?
run in with the M4.
Mexico's that close to fucking Michigan?
Yup, it is. You feel me?
That's a good 3-day drive.
Just like this. Time jump.
No, because fucking Daniel didn't text him.
Yes, I did, but I had told him to come on my side. No cap.
Oh, shit. You fucked it up.
He said tell him to hop over one lane.
There's so much traffic. I can't hear shit, guys.
How are we doing this? You said 3, 2, 1?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop down the gear. There, stay here.
Really, bro?
Wow.
An asshole.
We just got cut off by a fucking minivan. Wow.
Wow, what a fucking Karen, guys.
And that's what you get when you get a turbo.
M4 versus a 2020. Basically a fully maxed out Camaro from factory.
A 60.
Yeah, 60. GA action. Holy shit.
Shit, it's just a party, bro. Holy shit! I mean,
It's fast.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's fast for sure.
I got gum on my lips.
So you can get the idea of the speed difference from a
Well,
fully.
his car that stock, so.
I'm at stock.
Yeah, he's stock.
He's not. I'm stock, so watch out.
For what?
Yeah, we're going back to lifetime right now.
Yeah, we did got the top on, nigga.
Oh, we got the top off, people. Oh my God.
Fuck.
Josh, how you feel, man?
Nigga, I feel like Yes, sir. Sure. I can go, I know, yeah. I can sit up nice and firm.
This nigga, I swear.
Stop cussing. Don't say the N-word on YouTube. It's not good.
Josh, look at the quality right now.
It looks bad.
No, it looks great.
I'm kidding. Yeah!
Woo!
Oh my god! Yes, Becky!
You're dumb as hell.
Fuck.
Might as well, you feel me? Woo! Hey Josh, this why you grow your hair out.
What?
This why you grow your hair out.
Making my way to the